Hi, and welcome to the fifth section of this course, Azure Storage Files. In this section, we will try to understand the Azure Storage Files. We will try to take a look at how we can support the virtual machines with some operating system disks or the data disks. We will also take a look at how we can manage the disks. Introduction to Azure Storage Files. In this video, we will try to take a look at what this service offers. We will also compare storage files with the virtual machine disks. And in the disk section, we will also take a look at what are the offerings for the standard or the premium services. And lastly, we will also take a look at why disks are so closely packed with the virtual machines. But first, let's take a look at the Azure Storage Files. The service itself offers the service to store and share the files. It uses the SMB protocol and it offers high availability to the customers. The Azure Virtual Machine disks are utilized by the virtual machines for storing the operating system or the data coming from the customers or for the applications that are running on the instances. Disks are stored in the Azure Storage account, which is why while creating a new virtual machine, you are asked about an Azure Storage account to be associated with the virtual machine. And each virtual machine supports multiple disks of different category, which we will discuss in a later part. But the first question in the Azure Virtual Machine Disk section is whether Azure supports hard disks or the solid states. On Azure, every account can use a hard disk storage which is backed up by a magnetic tape and offers the cheapest available units for storage. You can use hard disk to back up the data or for the data that you don't need in a high demand scenario. However, for faster access, you definitely need to go to the premium service offering which are backed by the SSDs. They are expensive because they are the premium offerings of Azure, but they support better throughput and the speed for your applications, or more precisely, the virtual machines that are utilizing these disks. And likely, the virtual machine disks are meant to be used by the virtual machines. You can, however, download a copy of your virtual hard drive and utilize it in a manner that better suits your need. But on the cloud, they follow the replication model or other redundancy options or failover clusters as the virtual machine has. So you need to decide how you want to configure the virtual machines and what models you want to specify for the disks. In this section, we will try to cover more about Azure Virtual Machine disks and not just about the SMB protocol service offered by Azure Storage Files.